Ever wondered how to transform that boring patch of your yard into something spectacular? Let's delve into the world of rock gardens, where ordinary spaces morph into extraordinary landscapes of beauty and tranquility. Well, you're in the right place to learn about creating your own rock garden. The first step in creating a rock garden is choosing the right spot. A location with good drainage and ample sunlight can make for a flourishing garden. Moreover, the size and shape of the area significantly influence your garden's design. So remember, a sunny, well-drained spot is your rock garden's best friend. Next, it's time to select your rocks and plants. Remember, diversity in rock size, shape, and color adds intrigue. Pair these with resilient plants that flourish in rocky conditions like succulents or alpine species. When selecting your rocks and plants, think variety and durability. Now it's time to design and plant your rock garden. Arrange your chosen rocks, partially burying them for stability. Then, plant your selected flora, spacing them out to allow for growth. With careful planning and planting, your rock garden will start to take shape. Creating a rock garden is an exciting way to add beauty to your outdoor space. Remember the joy of selecting the right spot, choosing your rocks and plants, and the satisfaction of seeing your design come to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more garden inspiration. Happy gardening!